Unlock the power of instant communication by sending SMS messages directly from your PHP applications, all thanks to Messagebird. First, you'll need to set up your Messagebird account and obtain your API key, which acts as your secret handshake with their service. Next, we'll guide you through installing the Messagebird PHP SDK, the essential library that makes integrating their powerful SMS features a breeze. With the SDK installed, the core of our process involves configuring it with your unique API key, ensuring your application's requests are authenticated. Then, we'll demonstrate how to compose your SMS message, specifying the recipient's phone number and the text content you wish to send. The critical step is initiating the send command using the SDK, which packages your message and sends it securely to Messagebird's servers. Messagebird will then handle the delivery to the recipient's device, allowing you to build features like order confirmations or marketing alerts straight from your code. This opens up a world of possibilities for notifications, verifications, and proactive customer engagement, all powered by your PHP projects and Messagebird. With these steps, you're now equipped to seamlessly integrate SMS messaging into your PHP applications, making your projects more interactive and impactful.